Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is Friday, May the 14th. May is Mental Health Awareness Month. The 10 most common mental health disorders in America are depression, anxiety, obsessive compulsive disorder, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, autism, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, eating disorders, post-traumatic stress disorder, and substance abuse or addiction. Next Thursday, on May 20th, in support of mental health awareness, we're all going to wear green. So remember next week to wear green on Thursday. Remember that at the end of the year, we have some events that are going on. We're going to have a couple of field days, a seventh grade field day and an eighth grade field day, and also some award celebrations. And if you are not passing all of your 4 core classes, math, English, science, and social studies, you will not be able to participate in these events. Summer school is for any student who fails a class for the year and fails STAR. It's June 7th to the 24th, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Beverly Hills Intermediate, and each class is going to cost you $65. Everything is in person. There are no virtual students for summer school. Tablet collection. We are going to be picking up all of your computers for virtual students. It's going to be on May 26th from 8 a.m. to noon. You will be required to drop off your device in the front of the school. Face-to-face students, we're going to do this on May 25th after map testing. So don't forget to bring your device for testing, and you will be turning it in on the 25th. Fees will be added to your account for missing or damaged devices and chargers. If you have any library books still checked out, overdue library books, you need to come turn those in. Ms. Powell is looking for all of her library books. That's it for our announcements today. Have a great day and have a great weekend.